Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now, after the headings block, the next change that we are going to discuss has been introduced in the list block. Now, list block is one of the most commonly used blocks in WordPress, and once you have created the list, you cannot, basically rearrange the items on the list. You will have to copy and paste in various situations. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to talk about the change. So here in WordPress 6.0, you can see this is a 6-item list that I've created right over here, and this is a 6-item list that is in WordPress 6.0. Now I've selected the list block right over here, and you can see I cannot rearrange these items because there is no option to do so. Okay, there is no option available. Now this has changed in WordPress 6.1. You will notice a drastic change in WordPress 6.1, and you can see right over here. Let me click this list item 1, and you can see now it has an inner block right over here. This is the main block, list block, and this is the inner list item block, we can call it. Yes, this is the inner list item block. And now when I will click this, you can see I could rearrange the list items. You can see one is going down, now one is going up. Okay, so now you can clearly see from here that the list block is leveraging inner blocks to make the rearrangement of items easier for you. Now you no longer will have to cut, copy and paste to rearrange the list items. All you will have to do is just select a list item and you will be able to move them easily. So this is a massive change that you will see in WordPress 6.1 for the list block.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.